Hey guys, good morning everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys. Happy Sunday morning on YouTube, guys. So I am on my way back. It's my turn. I had to drop Brittany off at work this morning. We had a family gathering last night, or should I say yesterday. We had a nice little family cookout yesterday, and we got to socialize and spend time with our family and friends and loved ones. Thank you everybody that came out yesterday so much. Thank you everybody to my thank you first and foremost to my cousin Brenda and my cousin John, who put that together yesterday. Thank you guys so much, and for everybody who helped out and putting it together, and everybody who was there yesterday. Thank you so much. I love my family so much. I appreciate my family. I'm thankful for my family, and I love you guys. It was really nice seeing all of my family yesterday. I seen family that I haven't seen in so long that I was so happy to see. I seen family that I missed that I haven't seen in so many years, and it was really good to get a chance to see a lot of my family members and loved ones. I love you guys again. If you're watching this video, just know that I love you. We love you. We miss you guys, and we hope you guys have an amazing Sunday, an amazing week coming up, an upcoming week. Blessings to all of you guys. Blessings to all of you guys on YouTube. Like I said, I'm up and out this morning. I had to go drop my daughter off. Now I'm having me a nice little cup of coffee, a nice little cold OJ because I was thirsty, and then I didn't even want breakfast. I stopped at McDonald's. I had brought my money. I was like, I'm gonna get me something, but I was like, I don't really like McDonald's breakfast like that. Plus, I didn't really want nothing from this. I just got me orange juice and some coffee. Not gonna lie, the orange juice is just as good as that freaking a breakfast. It literally has everything. I feel so awoke and like alive after having that orange juice. And I just like got like this size right here. But oh gosh, it literally like took the freaking place of a whole breakfast for me. I think my daughter needs air in her tire. Damn. Because I feel like it's her tire is like off a little bit. I feel like it needs air on the right hand side, and she just got a I know she had just got her tires, so it shouldn't be anything like her tires, so it gotta be that either since she got new tires, her other tires maybe need air, but I can feel the difference. So it's kind of pulling. But yes guys, so please, I'm doing this vlog, this early morning Sunday vlog, just to tell you guys, go check out our videos that we posted yesterday, guys. Please go check them out. I did two lives yesterday, I think it was. I did 2 live stream videos, and I uploaded one live stream. I thought I had took it off private, but I just took it off private like last night, well, early this morning. So I got a lot of excuse me, why I was about to say something, I don't even know what the heck I was about to say. I got a lot of videos y'all would like to check out, newly posted, newly uploaded, guys, so go check them out. Fresh new vlogs. This ain't no videos from like a month ago, or from like Father's Day, or like 2 months ago. This is from yesterday. I'm just saying. When you see people post videos on this channel, most likely it's been posted because it just happened. I don't do much. I edit, but I kind of try to push them out as soon as possible. So this is a new video, and this video was just recorded this morning, 7:30 a.m. or 7:15 because it took me like 15 minutes to get back to my house. So like 7:15 a.m. Sunday morning, August 13th, pre-birthday for me and my daughter. Yeah, put it in the comment section, guys. Give us a happy shout out birthday to us, because tomorrow, me and my daughter, the Lions are going to roar. Leo love, feel me? All day. Happy birthday. Happy early birthday to my daughter, Alicia. Alicia, happy early birthday to me. I'll be 51 years old tomorrow. Let's get it. So, like I said, we have a lot of vlogs that we already posted. I just uploaded another vlog this morning. So we got a couple of videos you guys might want to go check out, guys. Go show some love to my crazy big black family, because tomorrow's our birthday. Stay tuned. And you already know what that means. When it's birthday time, we're birthday people, guys. Vlog. Vlog, vlog, vlog. Are you guys ready? I can do all this. Excuse me. Bloopers. Let me say this again. Let me run it back. I could do this all day. It never gets old for me. And I don't really have to try that hard, because I got content every day. Different content. Several different videos with different content. Jump on this wagon if you like it. Bye, guys. Happy Sunday. See you guys later. Or before the day's out. Of course, you already know. Bye. To add with my other 1,700 plus videos. To be honest, I know you're like, I thought you was on. No, I'm going to just end it off by saying this. To be honest, I don't even have to put up videos daily. And that's, like, honestly speaking. And the reason why is because I just said, I've only been on this channel, and this is my, this channel is a new channel. As of August 22nd will be a year we've been on this channel. We was on YouTube before, and our other channel got taken down. And I don't want to keep saying that, but I'm just saying because it's almost our anniversary on this channel, and we're almost monetized. I'm only waiting for, I think it's, 300 more watch time hours I need to get monetized. Maybe less, because I got these long vlogs out there. So thank you to all the people who watched our videos, because like I said, stay tuned. Today's only Sunday morning. There'll be more vlogs. Bye.